Isabel. Isabel. Heel. Heel. Isabel. Yeah, you could tell them all you want, but you stay right here. All right. Hey. Hey, hey, look at me. Hey. All right. Hackles up, tail curled. Come on, come. Hey, come on. Oh, you're a tough dog. Look at this chicken. This poor chicken. Looks like a buzzard. Yeah, let me zoom in. Poor thing. She got all pecked. In molt and got pecked. She'll be alright though. Some pine to split up and sell. Got some pine split up to sell. Got some hardwood. Got a bunch more hardwood. Got some chickens. Isabel. Heel. Good girl. Got Mr. Gus. Hey, Gussie boy. Hey, boy. Oh, what's that? You big yawn? Big yawn? You getting tired there, bud? Who's my boy? Who's my boy? Honk, honk, honk. Love you, buddy. Watch out for that rope. Watch out for that rope. Miss Maya. Hi, girl. You gonna let me pet? Get over here with that nose. Typical Maya. She's a good girl. Chickens. Chickens. Chickens as far as the eye can see. Hey, Meg. Oh, wait, you're not Meg. Oh, you are Meg. What's up, Meg? Gold, is that you? This is Goldine. This is April's favorite chicken. She's the oldest chicken. She's a good girl. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Yeah, she talks to me. Love that chicken. Greenhouse has been stalled. I've been slacking. Apple tree's starting to get some leaves on it finally. Maybe I'll actually get a couple of decent apples this year. I had a couple last year. Pear tree's never given us anything. Not as long as I've been here. Don't know how the grapes are going to do this year. Planted them last year. I'm hoping they take off. Strawberries are already up. Garlic's already up. Garlic's been up. Garlic's been up since February. Some straws coming in. I gotta move this asparagus. I got an asparagus coming up. Little asparagus. Oh, yep, grapes are breaking out. Breaking out with some leaves. We're good. She should grow this year. By the end of the season, I hope it's up to the top. We'll take a walk out front, see if we sold any compost. kind of been slow on the uptake on the farm stand. Been slacking, haven't been filling the wood as often. Egg sales, eggs are always a hot commodity. Bags of compost, $5. The one bin of wood that I sold yesterday, April's been crocheting these chickens here. They're cute. $5 for the little ones, $10 for the big ones. Oh, we do have a dozen eggs in there. I shouldn't put that red sign up. If you come here and you're looking for eggs and you got a check mark on the egg, we're good. And if it's flipped over the other side with the X, it means we don't have any. We're always open. Flag never comes down. Honor system. Everything's on camera. The remains of last year's Thanksgiving pumpkin. Just sat on this stump. The chickens have had at it, torn it all apart. Some rot on the brand new bed that I gotta address soon. Never ending. It's a never ending project, but I love it. Flowers have started to come up. My daffodils have almost passed. My peonies and creeping phlox. Got a bleeding heart that came up, sprouted. Took that from my house in Plymouth. Oh, can't wait to get back out in those. Oh, it was like 68 earlier. It's dropped down a little bit. So nice here, though. Man's got all he needs. You got a ridiculous dog, a bunch of chickens, a couple horses, plenty of stuff to keep me busy. And then there's the cabin. Went last weekend. Came home midweek. Got the drywall done. Got the copper tiles put in the loft. Bunch of other work done outside, landscaping. Still can't fix that damn propane fridge, though. We're going to have to take it all apart. Figure out what the hell's going on with it. Either that or just convert over to electric. I don't know. Might spring for a new propane fridge. Tired of messing with this one. Want something a little bit more efficient anyways. One that's in there is like 25 years old. Got some hardwood slabs here. I've been meaning to take inside and do little art projects with. Sell them out front. Carve them out. The Dremel tool out and the stencils. Kind of make something to sell. Cheap. I ain't looking to get rich off of nothing. Just kind of want to have a hobby and make a little money on the side. But finally, spring has arrived. And before we know it, summer will be halfway over. I know, it's a terrible thing to think about. It's a terrible thing to say. But time is short, especially in New England.